We want this action to happen only if the switch is off. If it's already on, we want it to ignore a click on the green button because it's already on. To take care of that, let's bring in an if clause, an if block, and we want this to happen if well, let's put this in if the switch is on. And since we only want this to happen when the switch is off, let's put these commands in the else clause. So this is what will happen if the switch is not on. Okay, let's see if that's fixed our problem. Let's play this again. Click it. Switch turns on. And now nothing happens if we click it again. So that's good. We'd also like these buttons to move at the same time. So let's put in a do together block. Let's not change the variable until all the action is accomplished. So let's try this again. Okay, that looks better. Okay, now we want the switch to turn off again as well. Let's cheat by dragging this whole thing into the clipboard so that we can copy it. Now let's go to methods again and let's create a turn off method. Now let's drag our turn on code from the clipboard, and basically we want to reverse everything. We want the switch to turn off only if the switch is already on. So let's drag all this up here out of the else clause. Whoops. Want this down here. And now let's basically reverse everything. We want the red button to go backward. Whoops. And the green button to go forward. And we want the is on state to be set to false, meaning that the switch is off. So let's try that now. Oops. Okay, we need to add another event. So let's see here. Let's add another event. We need to have something happen when the red button is clicked. So when the mouse is clicked on something, when the mouse is clicked on the red button, we want the switch to turn off. Now let's try this. Okay, it works very nicely. The buttons change state when we press the one that's extended, and it doesn't do anything when we press the one that is already depressed. In the next video, let's look at using this switch to control something.